We're heading straight to Trinidad. Let me show you how to make real Ponche-a-Crème. Smooth, creamy, and zesty, and real best. Let me show you how to make it. Starting off with 4 eggs. The zest of a lime. This is gonna cut away the rawness from the egg, that eggy taste. Cause tonight we're liming, boy. One thing for sure, Caribbean people can't take a eggy taste. Like, we really can't take that egginess, that rawness. Oil milk. Evaporated milk. Nice and creamy. Bitters, just a splash. Vanilla extract. Freshly grated nutmeg. Condensed milk. Salt for balance. Now for the vibes. We're gonna start with 1/2 cup. If you're feeling festive, go ahead and make it strong. Well, look thing. Ooh, we're festive, so we're gonna add 1/2 more cup. Cause the Trinidad like it strong, not true? They like it real strong, you know. Now we're gonna blend this up real nice for about 10 to 15 seconds, okay? Adding back some freshly grated nutmeg. Real nice, you see it? Oh, it's good, boy. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Just the smell of the rum alone give you a vibe. Tastes better when it cold and settle, okay? Caribbean Christmas can't done. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. I can already tell this is strong enough. Mighty God. Oh God, this thing real nice, boy. We're liming tonight, right? Right, true. This rum is not something you should play with. Drink responsible.
God, that thing a real strong soldier. That ain't no plaything, boy.
It's like a shot in a cup. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and also leave me a comment down below. Big up to the Trinidad in the building. The full recipe will be uploaded on my blog. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye, guys.